Hi guys. It it's 12:25 noon here in Vienna, Austria. So in the Philippines, it's 6:25 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, pumunta ako ng grocery kasi sana bibilin ko lang tissue. And then guys, kung ano-ano nang nakita ko guys. Plan ko pa naman sana ngayon guys is mag-diet ako kasi si Will na sa office. Pero guys, na-tempt na naman ako nito guys. So this is only 5.69 euro. So nasa 300 plus guys. Mga almost 400. So eto guys, ang aking lunch for today. Mag-isa lang ako ngayon. And of course, may pipino ako guys, sausawan. And rice is life. So eto guys, kain tayo guys. Babush! Sarap!